Hi, this is Square, our smart chess robot. Within it, we have an XY actuator system with an electromagnet attached. These are controlled by an Arduino, which gets its commands from a Raspberry Pi. Here, I'm connected to the Raspberry Pi over VNC, and I'll start our web server. The robot initially zeroes itself by moving until it reaches the end-stop limit switches. Now I can go to this web page where I see a chessboard, and I can move the white pieces, and the same moves will be reflected on the robot. So I'll bring out my pawn. And now the opponent is actually powered by the Stockfish chess engine. So I'm playing against an AI. I can move my bishop diagonally, for instance. And it seems the AI is choosing to bring out its knight. Notice how it can weave between the other pieces to move the knight. Now we could also capture pieces. Let me bring out this pawn. And let's see what the AI will do. It seems the AI is using its pawn to capture my pawn. So currently my pawn is being carried off of the board. All of the captured pieces are going to line up at the end of the boards. And now the opponent's pawn moves into this spot.